This is the DW88 Ultra, Apple-looking Ultra smartwatch running Android 8.1. It has its own SIM card slot in place of the side button, but other than that, it really looks a lot like what you guys have gotten to know through the Apple Enterprise. You've got a rotating crown, you've got a pill button size, and you've got a really nice display on it, as well as the integrated matching Apple bands in orange, or you can pick them up in the box. It comes with a set in black that uses a different type of connection. When it loads up, you have the familiar watch faces you see on a lot of the Apple watches integrated into it, but it's an Android watch, so swiping down, you get bubbles. Yes, you do. Look at that. You get all of your different controls here. You can expand them. You have Wi-Fi, you have Bluetooth, you have GPS in here, and of course all kinds of other things. Airplane mode, brightness, volume, you name it. When you swipe this way, you get into all of your apps. It's an integrated app drawer. Each of the icons can be moved around and sorted the way you like. This is how it shows up out of the box. You've got phone calling for your SIM card, overall settings, you got a browser, but of course you can install whatever browser you want, like Chrome or Firefox, a calculator, a basic calendar, and of course your contacts tying with your phone. Albums for any images. There's no camera on this one, but you can import videos or pictures if you want to. Comes as 1 or 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. You got messaging and music. Another page shows you some more. You can get it configured all the way up to 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. There's your Play Store. Lets you install any of the apps that you normally use on your phone. Put them on the watch. 8.1 Android. Google Maps, all these other kind of things in here. Your files, a video player, a really nice sound recorder that when you activate it, you can turn the watch off and it'll run in the background. I do this because you can actually palm this one to turn it off as well. We are looking at heart rate in here, some other styles, and your basic step count for the day is in here as well. Very small, limited resources on this one. It comes with just the bare minimum that you need to get going. But guys, you can download all kinds of other apps, and in upcoming videos, we'll walk you through these so you can get an idea of what kind of things you can run on an Android 8.1 on your arm, looking like an Apple Watch. It is the DW88 Ultra smartwatch. Check it out.